It was a very famous company. The boss was such a nice person. All the staff members were cooperating with the boss. The company had grown up to a level and it was a very successful company. But there was this one particular staff member is not in good term with the boss because he was so jealous of the boss. He wanted to take the place of the boss, so he was playing all types of cunning tricks to defeat the boss. But finally, the boss came to know what he had in his mind and he fired him from the company. When he went out of the company, the staff member, the so-called staff member, once was a staff member, now did not stop his cunning ways. He wanted somehow to get the place of the boss, started doing all kinds of unwanted things to disturb the boss, only for the reason to take the place of the boss. Brethren in Jesus Christ, haven't you heard a story of this same nature? Yes. You know, the company represents the universe. The boss is God who created the universe. The staff member who is giving more trouble to the company and the boss is Satan. And it is very obvious that he does all this just to get into the place of God, and he cannot. So, in the process, he wanted to defeat us. You know why? If you want to know the reason, then you must listen to Paul. Paul says, see, we are so afraid of Satan, but you do not need to be afraid of Satan because you are afraid you do not know him. Always try to know about Satan because the mindset of Satan is that he wanted to defeat God and he cannot. We are all in the image of God. So when he looks at us, since we are all in the image of God, he doesn't like to see us. He doesn't want us to enjoy this life. So he sends troubles, problems, tears in our life so that we will be always down in our life. We will never ever enjoy our life. So normally, when a person is being fired from a company in the name of disturbing the boss, he or she would disturb the children of the boss. That's a trick. That's a cunning way of doing things. And the same way, the Satan is also doing. Because we are all the children of God, he is trying to disturb us. If you are disturbed, then he is very happy. Because if we are disturbed, then we will not receive the blessing of God. See, he would disturb us like making us to be addicted to drugs because he knows that if we are a very clean person, then we will achieve greatness and become very good preachers in the future. He knows that we are going to get the blessing, so he doesn't want us to receive that blessing. He will put us into trouble and he will make us to be addicted to drugs. He will bring troubles into our family. And there will be always fight among the family members. You know why? Because he knows we are a praying family. And if we continue to pray, that we will receive more grace from God, and he doesn't like us to receive that. So he will always bring division, fight in our family. So whenever we have troubles in our life, difficulties in our life, just remember, all these have been sent by the enemy. just to disturb us. When we are disturbed, then we will miss our destination. When we miss our destination, we will never ever be blessed in our life. That is what only He needs. So next time, if we are faced with any difficulties, say to Satan, Satan, I know your mind. I'm not going to be disturbed by any of these. I will be always faithful to my God, and He will take care of me. Excuse me, you are not needed here. Go away, Satan. Amen.